Here I have Huawei MatePad Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable custom watermark in camera on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then go to more modes, select stickers, because like on this device you don't have like normal watermark like you have on almost every other device, but you have these stickers. And some of these stickers are customizable, like you don't have stickers with just like your own custom text where you can enter your name or your surname, but you have stickers like this one. For example, I love, and you can enter anything you want here, like you can enter HardReset.Info, you can enter your own name, you can enter the name of your lover, you can enter name of something that you like, and yeah. So I like HardReset.Info, and yeah, you can even make this watermark much bigger. And that's how this photo will look like. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.